So today discuss about the topic. So operations on real numbers. See actually we know add and subtraction, multiplication and division of real numbers. For example, 1 plus 2 that equal to 3. So we know about the additions and subtractions. So all. And again we know about the rational numbers. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So subtractions all are so learning about in previous classes. So next we learn about today class. So additions and subtractions, multiplication, divisions of irrational numbers. So first we learn about the root, nth root, that means radicals. So yesterday class we discuss about root 2, root 3 also are the examples of irrational numbers. So now explain that one. So if b power n is equal to a, that implies b is equal to a power of 1 by n, that is equal to nth root a. So this is the radical. So n is the order of the radical and a is the radicand. So that means the nth root of a is b. That means nth root of a is, for example. So radical signs and radicals. That means square root, third root, fourth root, and so on. So these are the radical signs. So root, third root, fourth root, and so on are the radical signs. And root 2, third root 4, fifth root 7. These are the radicals or irrational numbers. So in these radicals, 2, 4, 7. These are the radicand. So these are the radicand. And nth root a is the radical and n is the order of the radical. So this is the nth root of a. So now discussing the properties or laws of radicals or laws of irrational numbers. Laws of irrational numbers. So we are having the 5 laws are, so nth root a whole power n, that is equal to nth root of a power n is equal to a, is the first one. Nth root of a into nth root of b is equal to nth root of ab, and nth root of a is equal to n into nth root of a. Nth root a into nth root b is equal to nth root of ab. Nth root of a is equal to nm root of a is equal to nth root of a. Fourth one is the division rule. So nth root a by nth root b is equal to nth root of a by b. Next last rule, nth root of a power p whole power m is equal to nth root of a power p, that is equal to mnth root of a power p power m. Now explaining the problems, then easily understand them. First problem. So third root of 9. Third root of 9 whole cube. So that equal to, so third root means 9th power of 1 by 3 whole power 3. So 3 will be cancelled. We get the answer is 9. That is the first rule. That means the laws of first one is nth root of a whole power n is equal to nth root of a power n is equal to a. That means third root of 9 whole cube is equal to 9. That is the first formula. And the second example. So nth root a into nth root b is equal to nth root of ab. That means root 2 into root 3. So there is the nth root a, there is the nth root b. We get the formula is nth root of ab, that is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to root 6. This is the second formula example. So in these formulas are we utilizing the operations of real numbers. So irrational numbers are two types. One is like irrational number, another one is unlike irrational number. So like irrational number means irrational numbers having the same irrational factor. So these type of problems are called like irrationals. So irrational numbers are not having the same irrational factors. So these are the unlike irrational factors. So like irrational factors examples: root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2, 7 root 2, and so on. So in this, root 2 is the common factor of all. So root 2 is the common factor. So another example, root 3 and root 27. So we know the root 27 value. So root 27 is equal to square root of 3 into 3 into 3. So that is equal to square root of 3 into 3 into root 3. That is equal to 3 root 3. So root 3 and 3 root 3. So these are the root 3 is the common factor. So root 3 and 3 root 3 also are the like irrational numbers. So the unlike irrational numbers having the examples are root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, and so on. So in this there is no common factor. So these are the unlike irrational numbers. So next we are discussing the operations of irrational numbers: additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. Subtractions of irrational numbers. Here, like irrational numbers can be added and subtracted. So unlike irrational numbers cannot be added and subtracted. For example, first one is 3 root 2 and 7 root 2. So both will be added and subtracted. So first of all, 3 root 2 plus 7 root 2. So which is the common term? So root 2 is the common term. That will be common there. Then 3 plus 7 is equal to root 2 into 10. That is equal to 10 root 2. This is the addition of irrational numbers. So in this same way, subtractions also. So 3 root 2 minus 7 root 2. So root 2 is the common. 3 minus 7. So root 2 into 3 minus 7 minus 4. That is equal to minus 4 root 2. These are the subtractions. Example, 4 root 2 plus 3 root 32. So this is the common factor. This is the root 2. There is root 32. So first we will converting into the common factor. That means root 32 will be modified somewhere. So 3 root of 32, that is equal to 3 into root of 32 will be converting into 16 into 2. That is equal to 3 into root 16 into root 2. That is equal to root 16 value is 4. So 3 into root 16 is 4 into 4, then root 2. That is equal to 3 into 4 into root 2. So that is equal to 12 root 2. So the 3 root 32 will be converting into the common factor of root 2. Then will be added. Then 4 root 2 plus 12 root 2. So root 2 is the common. Then 4 plus 12 is equal to 60 root 2. This is the solving the problem. First, these are the unlike irrational numbers, then converting into the like irrationals, then will be added. Next problem, 4 root 2 minus 2 root 8 plus 3 by root 2. So these all are not in the common factors, then it will be modified. First of all, take 2 root 8. So this will be changes into root 2 factor, that is equal to 2 into square root of 4 into 2, that is equal to 2 into root 4 into root 2, that is equal to 2 into root 4 value is 2 into root, that is equal to 4 root 2. And again, so 3 by root 2. Then the multiple common is not there, then multiplying with 3 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So that is the 3 by 2 root 4 root 2 minus, this will be converting into 4, minus 4 root 2 plus 3 by 2 root 2. So root 2 is the common factor, then common is there, then 4 minus 4 plus 3 by 2. So 4 cancel, that equal to 3 by 2 root 2. 3 by 2 root 2. So once again explain, first of all 4 root 2 plus 3 root 32. So both are online. The 3 root 32 converting into the like rational. The 3 root 32 is equal to 3 root of 32 will be changes into 16 into 2. So root 16 into 2. That means root a into root b, that equal to root ab. Then 3 root 16 into root 2. So root 16 is equal to 4. So 3 into 4, 12 root 2. So both are common factors is root 2. Then will be added. We will have 16 root 2. The second problem is 4 root 2 minus 2 root 8 plus 3 by root 2. There is no common factor. Then 2 root 8 converting into the common factor, that is the 4 root 2. And again 3 by root 2 is not common factor. Then multiplying with numerator and denominator by the root 2, we get the 3 by 2 root 2. So both are having the root 2 is the common factor, then will be added. We get the final answer is 3 by 2 root 2. When the problems are likely irrational numbers, they will be added and subtracted. If the numbers are unlike irrational numbers, then converting into the irrationals, or otherwise it will be not added. Multiplication and division of irrational numbers. So if irrational numbers are the same order, that means the terms are having the same order, then we multiplying and division will be satisfied, and by using the formula. So nth root a into nth root b is equal to nth root of ab. Nth root a by nth root b is equal to nth root of a by b. We solve the examples. So first one is third root of 5 into third root of 12. So 3 is the same order of the irrational numbers. So by using the formula, so nth root a into nth root b, that is equal to nth root of ab, that 5 into 12. So third root of 60. So this is the multiplication of irrational number. So solving another example is, so square root of 25 into square root of 3. So is the order is 2, in root 3 order is 2. Then multiplying square root of 25 into 3. The answer is root of 75. It will be converting into square root of 25 is equal to square root of 25 into 3 is equal to root 25 into root 3. The root 25 value is 5 into root 3. So root 25 value is the 5 and into root 3. So this is the other examples of the multiplication of irrational number. Example by the division. So 4 into root 28 is divided by 3 into root 7. It is not fourth root, it is the root 28. This is the root 7. So by using the formula nth root a divided by nth root b is equal to nth root of a by b. By using formula 4 into root 28 divided by 3 into root 7, that is equal to 4 by 3 into root a by root b, that equal to nth root of 28 by 7. So 4 by 3 into nth root of 7 ones are 7 fours are. So root 4, that equal to 4 by 3 into 2, that equal to 8 by 3. So once again, 4 root 28 divided by 3 root 7. The root a by root is equal to square root of a by b. So 4 by 3 into root of 28 by 7. It will be cancelled. 7 ones are 7 fours. So root 4 value is 2. So 4 by 3 into 2 is equal to 8 by 3. So another example. So third root divided 64 divided by third root of 8. So third root of 64 divided by third root of 8. So order will be same. Then third root of 64 by 8. So cancel. So 8 ones are 8. 8 is equal to. So third root of 8. So this is also converting into, so third root of, so 8 will be changes into 2. So the first law, so nth root of a power n is equal to a. So that is equal to 2q whole power of 1 by 3. That is equal to 3. We can answer is 2. So by using in these two laws, so one is nth root a divided by nth root b is equal to nth root of a by b, and finally nth root of a power n is equal to a. So two laws will be used in this formula. Additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions of irrational numbers.